Have you had a three-way speaker twin woofer mutual effects system SPA33 with a kitten? And by Technics has this ever sounded? Does your speaker ever sound like this? So you want to see me go handless? Check this out. I'm handless, bro. Look at that. We can't do a thing anymore. Do it on my arms. How am I doing? I've been able to try to do this. Have you been sound like this before? Let's look at the screen. Oh my god, this is this. Oh, clean. Hi, that is big. Dude, the speaker is big. Turn this off. Can I turn this off, bro? I should. I think I don't know. This one is this one fine, and this one's bad. Oh my god, has your speakers looked like this before? Your speakers looked like that. Dude, that's our speakers. You can easily see this. It's pushed in because of me. You might have seen it. If you didn't see the part, I'll show you. There, that's nothing. But then look up there. That's even worse, dude. Dude, that's you see there's some pushed in there. And this one, it's okay. I'll show you me doing a test sound. As your speakers sound like this. Guess what? You want to see something? If you didn't see this, well, if you didn't see that part, then I will show you. And if you didn't see that, then I'll show you. A picture of my cat, bro. Dude, I'll show a picture of my cat. Well, I'll show a picture of my cat at yo. I'll show you a picture of my cat in our Christmas tree. And our half-lighted Christmas tree, dude. See you in the next video. Show you it. Show you another video at the end. Okay. I'll show you a video. I'll give you the link to the video. I can make it unlisted for you. Make it unlisted so you can specifically watch it from this video. If I make my other video unlisted, I promise to give you the link on my comment to this. I'll try to move the file. I might be able to move the file onto my thumb drive and I can show you it, but I don't think it can be read. Could make it MP4 if it already is. If I make it JPEG, I'll just convert it into MP4. So it's like a video. I'll change the file extension to that specific video. Bye. See you in the next unlisted video. See you in the continued unlisted video. But I'll switch cameras so it's easier to see my cats. This one's not that far away. I'll show you my dad's truck right there. His dad's truck somewhere outside. Somewhere like there. That's my dad's truck. It is actually my dad's truck. I'm using the inner camera. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll be using the outer camera for the next video.